I am Giuseppe Pastore, Managing Director of Axians North America Project Services, and today I'd like to talk to you about the exciting prospect of developing new business opportunity through collaboration with cross-country business unit. In the current global market, where customers ask more and more for global and integrated solutions, collaboration is vital to catch these new opportunities and to respond to the customer needs. As Axians North America, through the collaboration with other business units, we are able to leverage the skills and experience that Axians has around the world and focus them on the project we have in our geography. I'd like to say that collaborating with other business units raises a spirit of unity and inclusivity. It transcends borders, bridging the gap between different cultures and encouraging understanding and respect. This multicultural synergy not only enriches our business, but also promotes harmony and global cooperation.